Welcome to Educational Toys and DIY educational videos to stimulate your child's growth. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the bell icon to get our latest update. Today, we're going to talk about different textures for children. So, this is a book that I made for different textures and sensory feedback for young kids so they can feel around. Here, I've used foam, and the foam has glitter, some are smooth. Some have rough edges. I've also used feather, foam alphabets, and pom-pom. So use your imagination here. Like I said earlier, we have done it in different colors, and I've repeated the same textures on each page. So here I've used a pipe cleaner, and it's very feathery to touch. Added all 7 colors on one page. So this will help him to recognize the colors of the rainbow. Then along with the colors, I've also added alphabets and numbers. The alphabets are 3-letter alphabets and a couple of numbers. 3-letter alphabet so he can spell MIT mate FOX fox.
There's our net. Here's our net. Look, there's our net.
Owlet.
Our net.
Okay. Yep.
P-U-G pug mop T7
No.
K
E
T kid
Kit.
kid
Good. What color is the page?
yellow.
Very good. And can you spell this for me?
Oh, X fox. Look, fox. Fox goes in the grass. The
Okay.
fox eats
What color is
some
the page?
orange.
Orange giraffe.
Orange ear.
Okay, you want to spell?
Yes. Tug.
Tug. Very good.
Tug. Look, tug. Look,
Yes.
tug. Look, tug. Red.
Good job. You want to spell it?
9 2 3. Z-E-E-P. Zip. Look, zip.
What color is the page, Winnie?
Black.
Very good.
W-E-G. W-E-G. Wig.
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 Very good.
Violet. Indigo. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red.
Very good.
Head is